Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about a wild theory. What if UFOs are actually time machines? Some believe these flying objects could be future humans or advanced civilizations using tech to manipulate space and time. Sounds crazy, right? But Einstein's theories say time travel is possible in certain conditions, like near black holes. We'll explore mind-blowing stories like Sergei Ponomarenko, who claimed to jump from 1958 to the future, and how UFOs might be using gravitational manipulation. So, if you're into wild theories, stick around. Maybe you'll time travel if you catch a UFO. Traveling into the future might sound like science fiction, but according to Einstein's theories of relativity, it's actually possible, at least in theory. Here's a simpler and more connected explanation of how time travel into the future could work. Einstein's theory of special relativity tells us that time is not the same for everyone. It can move at different speeds depending on how fast you're going. This is called time dilation. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you compared to someone who is standing still. Einstein's theory of general relativity gives us another way to experience time differently. Through gravity. Massive objects like planets and black holes can bend space-time, causing time to slow down near them. This is called gravitational time dilation. While these ideas show that time travel to the future is theoretically possible, there are huge challenges that make it impractical for now. One major problem is the enormous energy needed to travel close to the speed of light. But what if aliens have mastered this technology? The story of Rudolph Fentz is a classic urban legend. In the 1950s, New York City, a man dressed in 19th century clothing was reportedly hit by a car. When police investigated his body, they found strange items in his possession, including a coin from the 1870s and business cards from a company that no longer existed. Further investigation revealed that a man named Rudolph Fentz had disappeared in 1876. The story of Sergei Ponomarenko is one of the most intriguing time travel tales. In 2006, a man appeared in Kyiv, Ukraine, claiming to be from 1958. He was dressed in old-fashioned clothes, carried a vintage camera, and even had a Soviet-era passport. Ponomarenko told the police that he was 25 years old and had somehow jumped nearly 50 years into the future. What made the story even stranger was that the film from his old camera, when developed by experts, showed pictures of Kyiv from the 1950s, including a photo of a UFO. The last thing he claimed to remember before traveling through time was taking a photo of that UFO. After he was questioned, Ponomarenko mysteriously disappeared from the police station and was never seen again. UFOs might be capable of manipulating gravitational fields, which could theoretically enable phenomena such as time travel or the distortion of space-time around them. Many UFO sightings involve reports of objects moving in ways that defy known laws of physics, such as sharp turns, sudden acceleration, or hovering without visible propulsion systems. Some theorists suggest that these movements could be explained if the UFOs are able to manipulate gravity. This could create a warp bubble around the craft, allowing it to bend space-time similarly to how massive objects like planets or black holes affect gravity. The idea gravitational time dilation in Einstein's theory of general relativity. If a UFO could generate a gravitational field similar to that of a black hole, it might cause time to pass differently for those inside or near the field. This could create the appearance of time slowing down, speeding up, or even jumping between time periods. Physicists like Michio Kaku and Eric W. Davis have discussed the possibility of using gravitational manipulation as a means of propulsion, as well as the potential for such technology to affect time. Kaku speculates that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might have developed methods of bending space-time for faster-than-light travel or time manipulation, though this remains speculative without hard evidence. So UFOs could possibly be future humans or a more advanced civilization. But one thing we know for sure is, if you want to time travel, you might just need to see if you're lucky enough to encounter a UFO.